Hey guys, welcome back. So we're here at the first annual OnX Trail Guide Summit. I'm here with CB Offroad, Downtime Lost. We got Hunter, what is it? Hunter something. Anyways, he's over there. We got a bunch of other creators out here. So this is for all the trails you guys see on OnX Offroad are done by people like us, and we are coming out here and they're celebrating kind of like a thank you essentially for us. So I'm going to try and do kind of a vlog style video for it. We just got in. We're up in Nevada right now. I'm not going to name the trail quite yet, but stay tuned and check it out, everything, because it's going to be a lot of fun, a good fun weekend.
Check that out.
I know, I think it's sweet. This is where we do the sign up, or?
Yeah, checking the status of who's on one.
Okay.
We're on Need for Speed.
10:30, trails 1 and 3, we're lining up at 10:45 and rolling out by 11.
Where are they lining up? On the road? Or?
Yeah, so thank you. On the road, so trail 2 is going to be face south out of here, and trails 4 and 5 are going north out of here. And then trail 1 will go south and trail 3 will go north.
What's up? Which one? else? Good.
We'll add more as we keep going, but when we get it rolling, this will be all the content for today.
You're welcome. Hey, but I drove it the rest of the day.
Thank you for letting me store stuff at your house. Thank you to their photographers. Thank you to Matthew. I don't know where Matthew went. When the Trail Guide program started, like in 2021, we never imagined it to be this big. We have.
We did a series of car washes, and we actually raised enough money to put a big screen in the back of the tent.
All right, guys, so we just got done with the Onyx Trail Guide Summit out here in Nevada. We're all kind of airing up now. We're heading back to our respective homes. We had a lot of fun. Thank you, Onyx, for the... See you guys! And thank you guys for the event. Definitely want to go next year, see you guys there. If you guys aren't, download Onyx, definitely do it. It's worth it. But have fun, guys. Thank you for watching.